Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your zoom level on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's open up our Google Docs application shortcut or by using our web browser. Now let's just go ahead and open up any document where we can zoom in and out. Now once you open up your document, there are two ways by which you can zoom in and out. If you use a mouse with a wheel, then you can simply hold the Control key or the Command key if you're using Mac and then scroll your wheel up or down. If you scroll it down, it will zoom out, and if you scroll it up, it will zoom in. With this, you can adjust your zoom level according to your preference. If you don't have a mouse with a wheel, then you can simply use your trackpad to pinch outward if you want to zoom in and inward if you want to zoom out. Apart from these two methods, you can also use the scale feature alongside your text style drop-down menu. Simply click on the drop-down menu underneath the zoom section and then click on any of the options to set your zoom level. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to zoom in and out on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.